to drop. Crane, move her over to stack 7.
We're clear on this side. Chains are off the next car.
Confirmed. Grade markings match the manifest.
Hull 44 is falling behind schedule. We need to move these pins back immediately.
Yes, sir. I'll notify the fabrication floor.
Check the measurements on frame 7. We need 48.5 inches on that cut.
Check the alignment on frame 42. Make sure it matches the template exactly.
Looks good, Supervisor. We are within tolerance.
The longitudinal stringers provide critical support, running the full length of the hull. Precision is paramount here.
Make sure the stringers for Section 5 are released next.
Already on it. They're being moved now.
Mark, check the center line on station 42.
Looks good, Chief. Bring her up 2 inches on the starboard side.
Hold it steady. Bring it down 50 centimeters.
All right, easy now.
Looks aligned with the marks.
Bring it down 20 centimeters.
Watch the alignment on the starboard side.
Looks good, ready for tacking.
This massive 3-roll bending machine transforms the flat steel into the complex curves required for the ship's hull. We verify the marks against the hull offset table before it moves to the berth. The precision has to be perfect.
Lift it slowly, watch the starboard side.
All right, easy now. Bring it in. We need it steady.
Ensure the welding is flawless on the penetration collars.
Roger that. Inspector has cleared frame 45 for transport.
Watch the starboard side. Clear on this end, lower it down. All right, bring it down easy now. Clear on this side. Watch your hands, make sure it lines up.
The hatch combing construction requires precise fit-up, ensuring the frame is perfectly rectangular over the cargo hold opening.
Watch the starboard side. Bring it down slow. Pins ready. Push it left just a touch.
The navigation center, or bridge, is the operational heart of the ship, requiring precision construction for 180-degree visibility.
The temporal section is assembled horizontally. Here we see the being welded external baffles.
We're coming down on the flange now.
Okay, easy now. Use the pins.
Alignment looks good. Start the bolting sequence.
The alignment is confirmed on the tablet.
Holding steady at 0, 2 millimeters to starboard.
Steady now. Watch your lines. Clear on the port side.
All right, 2 more inches. Easy now. Clearances are within tolerance on all points.
Verified. We can proceed with the final torque sequence.
The Sitmatic installation creates an integrated power plant, capable of propelling the ship and powering all shipboard systems.
Hold it steady. Bring it down slowly.
Watch your lines down below. We're clear of the hatch now.
All right, easy onto the pads. Check the isometric drawing for the feed water line.
It's routed high, above the steam pipe.
All right, lift it into position. Lower it slowly. Watch the clearance.
A little more to the left.
All right, easy now.
Specialized lifting equipment supports the massive propeller as the crew ensures precise alignment.
Easy now, bring it down 5 centimeters. Hold it steady.
The anchor windlass, a massive piece of heavy machinery, is securely mounted to the deck. Its Wildcat drums.
Okay, lowering now. Keep clear of the chain. Roger. Looks good going down. Now raising. Housed and secured.
All right, secure that bat into the frame. We need the measurements for the next section over here.
Check the connections on the telegraph. Make sure the signal's aligned.
Reading confirmed on the multimeter.
And test the whistle pull.
Test transmission underway. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the radio room.
From the deck intakes, air flows through these massive ducts, providing essential climate control and habitability to every space.
The hydrostatic test confirms the structural integrity.
Capacity calculations are verified. We can approve the certification.
These educators provide supplementary capacity, especially during high water levels.
And the main pumps handle the primary dewatering.
Emergency! Emergency! This is an abandoned ship drill. All crew, muster at your stations.
Watch your footing, men. Lower away. All right, sailor, let's see. 300 degrees starboard. Mechanism is fully operational, sir. All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the starboard side. Easy, easy. Hold it there.
Ensure the zinc blocks are properly secured.
We found some pitting near the stern tube. Log that immediately.
Ensure the zinc blocks are properly secured.
We found some pitting near the stern tube. Log that immediately.
Generators holding full load, all breakers secure.
Bridge confirms. Sea trials checklist proceeding as scheduled.
We are moments away from the launch of this magnificent vessel. All hands, clear the area.
I christen this ship the Constitution. May she bring victory and peace to the world. God bless her and all who sail upon her.
Heave on that spring line. Secure the messenger to the bollard now. Watch the pinch point on the fair lead.
All right, easy now. Bring it down another 5 meters.
Calibration complete on Sector 3.
Confirmed. Running diagnostics now.
Weight is clear. Shifting to port now.
The pendulum has stabilized. Reading is 2.5 degrees.
Watch the swing. Bring it down easy.
Manifest confirms all Class Bravo items are stowed and secured.
Welcome aboard, team. This is no longer just a hull. It is our home.
All hands, brace for impact.
We will use the forward tug to swing the bow clear, then proceed down the channel. Understood, Captain. Ready for maneuvering.
Full astern emergency stop.
Engine room, acknowledged.
Stopping distance confirmed. All systems nominal.
The anchor handling trials ensure the ground tackle provides reliable anchoring capability for mooring and emergencies.
Stand by, stand by. Release the hooks. Hooks released. Engine start.
Man overboard, port side. This is a drill, this is a drill. I have the casualty in sight. Moving in now. Okay, team, lift on my count. 1, 2, 3, lift. All hands, man your stations. We are launching now. Clear on the davits. Good evolution, everyone, but we need to work on that recovery time.
Refrigeration is holding steady at 0 Celsius.
And the serving line steam tables are maintaining temp. Habitability systems are fully mission capable.
The metacentric height is looking consistent with the predictions.
Yes, the stability curve matches the model.
This achievement, building a ship in just 42 days, is a testament to the dedication of our workers and vital to the war effort.
Lower the container into hold 3. Watch your swing.
Roger that, bosun. Container going down. Let go all lines, Captain. Very well, pilot. Engine room, slow ahead together. Steer 280.
Steady on course 045. Plotting the next fix now.
Very good, Captain. Keep her steady.
Hard to port. Emergency zigzag.
Lookouts report contact. Bearing 040.
Fire the depth charge. Stand by for explosion.
After decades of faithful service, the old ship has earned its rest, a testament to the thousands that served before it.
We knew we were building these ships for victory. It was hard work, but we were proud of every single one that went into the water.
Merchant seamen serving without military status but facing military hazards, the highest casualty rate per capita of any service during World War II.
The Liberty ship was never meant to be elegant. It was a wartime necessity, relying on an obsolete British design and simplified steam engines.
This was an unprecedented moment where labor and management truly united for a common cause, ensuring maximum production. The Liberty ship was the workhorse, but the Victory, though slower to build, offered crucial advantages in speed and design. These preserved Liberty ships provide irreplaceable educational resources, offering hands-on experiences you just can't get from a textbook.
These magnificent vessels represent our history, but they cannot survive on dedication alone.
The evolution from manual drafting to computer-aided design allows for the complex modular construction we see today.
By integrating these perspectives, the engineering, the economics, and the social impact, we gain a comprehensive view of the Liberty Ship program.
We knew the risks, but we had a job to do. We lost some good men out there.
I built that ship with my own 2 hands. We were so proud of what we accomplished.
This preserved vessel represents the extraordinary achievement of building 2,710 ships in under 4 years.
These massive Douglas spheres were essential for the war effort, providing the heavy timbers required for ship launching ways and keel blocks.
This vast operation extracts the strategic materials vital for the war effort. Complex processes refine the ore.
From raw bales to finished seals, there's a finished seal that operates around the clock. These gaskets are essential.
After meticulous assembly and precision grinding, every valve undergoes rigorous pressure testing to ensure leak-tight performance before shipment.
These aren't just pumps. They are critical safety equipment for bilge, ballast, and firefighting systems at sea. From precise coil winding and armature assembly to rigorous load testing, we ensure every generator meets the highest marine-grade standards. Every gauge undergoes rigorous calibration and testing, simulating the harsh marine environment to ensure absolute accuracy.
Ensure the feed rate is consistent with the material specs.
Yes, calibrating now for the large steel components.
Navy inspectors ensure compliance because ultimately, quality control protects lives.
We need immediate status updates on the hydraulic systems for Hull 102. The current delay impacts the entire assembly schedule.
The war effort demanded unprecedented support. From subsidized housing and childcare to cafeterias and recreation.